Hello, today I want to talk to you about got2b glued styling glue. This is really good for short or long hair. It serves as a wax for styling. You can spike your hair with it, you can lay your hair down. For women who like to have their edges laid down in the front or on the sides of their hairline, you can actually use this product for that. It's light, but it has a really great hold. I know that, there's a lot of other products on the market that may not last as long. It may cause flaking or drying. This actually doesn't do that. It can be used on any type of hair, any hair texture, in long or short. It can be used for men or women. It's a really great product. So I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about it and kind of give you a little bit of a test to see, what it looks like, what it smells like. So it comes in this plastic tube here. It's a pretty decent amount of product. I mean, it's about 6 ounces of product in the tube itself. You're only going to use just a little bit of it depending on what you're trying to do to your hair. I definitely wouldn't use a bunch of it because it's light, but depending on how much you use, it can get a little bit heavy, and it would just be best to use it in moderation. To get a good idea of how big it is, I have a water bottle here. Obviously you can see that it's nowhere near as big. And then I mean, again, it's a good amount of product. So you have the opening here, which actually is not the most secure. I've actually lost a lot of product just kind of not closing the cap back on tight enough. So that's just one thing to be mindful of. It's not a deal breaker, it's no big deal. It is for spiking, gripping, and like chunking your hair. It's for if you want to lay it down as well. It's going to give you a nice hold that'll last until you wash it out. So what I usually do is just kind of open up the cap. As you can see, there's product around the rim. It's not a huge deal. It's just that if you squeeze this too hard and this isn't closed all the way, it's gonna come out, and it usually does. I'm constantly cleaning this cap up. Just something to keep in mind. So I usually squeeze about this much product into my hand. Again, it just depends on what you want to use it for. I mean, this might be enough. You might want to use more. If you're spiking your whole head, obviously you're going to use more than this per section. But if I'm just laying my edges down, this is actually enough for me. So as you can see, it's very thick in texture. It has the consistency of like an Elmer's glue almost. You can feel it. It's really sticky, but it's not tacky. It's actually got a really light scent, almost lemony, which is nice. It's not going to clash with the other products that you have in your hair. It's really light. You can barely smell it, so that's really good. But you can also see that it's white. So when you put this in your hair, don't be alarmed. It's not going to stay this color, because as you can see now, it looks like glue. It looks like Elmer's glue, but it's not going to stay this color. That's why you don't want to put a whole bunch of it, because it's meant to dry, and it's going to dry clear so that it doesn't show in your hair. I know that the one thing that no woman wants is to lay the hair around her hairline down, and a few minutes later she looks in the mirror and she sees that there's white flaky edges. Like, nobody wants that. So I'm going to take a little bit of product off my hand. I'm just going to rub it in. So you would either take it to spike it, or you can like lay your edges down with it. I just kind of like rub the edges of my hair down like that and kind of style it the way that I want to. And as you can see, it's dried up and it's dried clear. Now it is sticky. It's definitely sticky, and it's going to be sticky until it dries completely. That's the only thing. Definitely tacky, but again, this is on my hand, it's not on my hair. This is not like the best example, but it dries. See, it's drying now, and it's giving a nice shiny look, which is definitely what you want if you're looking for like a spiked style, or if you're laying your edges down, or you want to like slick your hair back. You want it to give a nice healthy glossy sheen, and so it does exactly that. But again, on your hands, it's going to be sticky. So what you want to do is, after you finish using the product, definitely wash your hands. I mean, it's not uncommon for it to be sticky after use, but yeah, you're going to want to wash your hands. You're not going to want to leave the sticky residue on your hand. That's the only thing. As you can see, it's tacky. So that's, can be an annoyance, but just wash your hands afterwards. It's no big deal. So this actually holds very well. It holds all day long if you need it to. It is water resistant, so if you go out and you slick your hair back and you're out all night and you're starting to sweat, it's not going to sweat out. That's the good part, because then half your hair will be fuzzy and half of it won't be. So you definitely don't want that. And it does say that it's water resistant here. In order to get this out of your hair, you have to rigorously wash it. That's the only thing about this product that I would say would be a little bit of a deal breaker for me, if I was going to say anything at all. It definitely is hard to get out. You have to really wash your hair. So if you're a person who doesn't wash their hair often, because not all of us do, this is not the product for you. Don't use this, because you're gonna have to wash it out. I wouldn't recommend piling it on more after, one swipe after the next for a span of a couple of days. This is a one-day wear product, and as you can see, I didn't wipe it up my hand, but now it's completely dried up. And I'm rubbing it like this, and it's not flaking, it's not white or anything, so it's not going to be white. And as you can see, it's not sticky anymore at all. It all dried up. No flaking, it's not white. So that's definitely something that you want to see in a good styling glue. But again, if you're going to use this, you have to wash your hair after using it. You can't go into the next day and put more on. It's just going to make it a sticky mess, and that's just not something that you want. So for those of you who are looking for a good styling glue, this is a great product. You can style your hair, you can spike it, whatever you want. You can use as much as you want of it. It's not going to dry up flaky. You can put it in your actual hair, and you'll never be able to tell it's there. That's why I really like it. Scent is very light, especially because it's on your head and it's near your face. You don't want a really strong scent. I know a lot of people are sensitive to smells like I am. So this is great. This is a really great product. Yeah, I hope that you found this helpful. For anyone who's looking for a new hairstyling glue, I would definitely try this one.